one way that I found really helpful is to ask the client for help. So a lot of these people, NIW people, EP1A people, EP1C people, they themselves are pretty extraordinary. That's the reason why they are uh, being able to apply for this. And so when
Yeah.
you tell them, this is my struggle, I just don't know how to pump out like 5, 7 cases ahead of you, and we need to. Sometimes they come up with some ingenious solutions for you, and like we were able to do. This is a so being swamped with NIW is kind of funny, right? Like, we have so many things to do, too many NIWs. We have the problem of so many NIW people wanting to upgrade to EB1A, right? So I've
Oh,
done so
yeah,
many of
that's
those. That is another ball game, right? That is a
a
complete different ball game. The amount of work that's involved. And then I asked them for help, and we just did this one case where they're like, "Sure, no problem. You could teach me. I'll do it, and then I'll give it back to you, and then you can
Wow,
file." So they prepared most of it, and then we filed the case within 2 weeks, and they got approved without an RFE.
that's
But
interesting. Yeah.
I mean, we're not charging any less. They're doing so much more, but they love that. And so I'm a big, big fan of enlisting clients to be your partners. I know most big firms completely shun away from that. They don't let the client do anything. They don't want the client to do anything. That only makes it more complicated. I was trained at a firm that had that belief. I just beg to differ when the situations are like this.
Yeah, I mean, I prefer the lawyer in that way where you do it, but like it's just like the yeah, if you have the client help out, and actually it does help out, even though like I kind of don't want to do so much work because they're paying for it. The quality of the case gets better, and I like clients knowing what's going on because a lot of times they don't know what's going on. So like it's better they stay involved. It depends on the client, I guess.
Yeah.
But that's it. Really help them organize. I'm like, help me. I can't understand why there's 4 different types of swimming competitions. Why is this one like this? Why is like on random stuff? But if you go on NIW to EB1A, that's a different level of stuff. Because if you went NIW the first time around, it's probably they're more better for NIW than is EB1A. So that's even a harder hurdle to go overcome.
Right. Yep. But they're good cases, if they
Yeah.
qualify.
What's
So
amazing, I mean, we've got so many cancer researchers I mean, everything's backed up to feasible again, but like neuroscientists, brain surgeon, we just got into the science thing, and it's just hitting off, and we
yeah,
really want to do it, but it's just like, uh, there's all the sorts of hassle of the case. Like you start a case, and then it takes them
yeah,
6 months, 9 months, and we like hold the funds until it's ready. Like for marriage cases, the turnover is so quick that it's like the funds come in, funds go out. For these cases, might be holding these are, I guess, technical IOTA kind of discussions that law firms have. Maybe associates don't think about this, but it's like there's a cash flow crunch when we have like a bunch of cases, but we got to submit in, but like the client's taking too long to sign an I-140 or just send us the birth certificate, whatever it is. And it's like, come on, we got to get it going if we're holding funds like that on those kind of cases. So like
right.
that's just like it.